Hello students, in first video I had introduced this chapter occupations and work and also discussed about few questions. Now I am going to read and explain this chapter. Listen carefully. The elders of our family go out for work every day. They get money for their work. We need money to buy food, clothes and other things for the family members. Have you ever think why our elders work? Yes, they work to earn money. Why do they earn money? They earn money to fulfill our needs. And what are our needs, students? Food, clothes and other things are our needs. What helps to earn money? Yes, occupation helps to earn money. We need money to fulfill our needs and occupation helps us to earn money. Working to earn money is called an occupation. Any work which helps us to earn money is known as occupation. Just like me, I am a teacher. I am teaching here to earn money. So, teaching is my occupation. You already know that people work as farmers, cobblers, tailors, carpenters, doctors, nurses, laborers, fruit and vegetable sellers, teachers and milkmen. Some people work in offices. Here are few occupations and few people who work in different occupations. Doctor, driver, tailor, postman, carpenter, policeman, gardener, sweeper. In India, a large number of people live in villages. Farming is the main occupation of people living in villages. India is a large country and large number of people live in villages, and farming is the main occupation of villagers. Indian farmers grow many types of crops such as food grains, pulses, cotton, sugarcane, oilseeds, jute, tea, spices, fruits and vegetables. These are the crops grown by farmers. A farmer needs flat land and good soil to grow crops. What type of land they needed to grow crops? They need flat land and good soil. They also need water to irrigate. They need enough water to irrigate their field. They get this water from wells, tanks, canals, tube wells and sometimes rains. Wells, tanks, canals, tube wells and rain are the source of water which help them to irrigate their fields. Many occupations depend upon farming. Let's see how many occupations depend upon farming. Cotton grown by farmer is used for making clothes in mills. In some states, cloth is also woven on handlooms by people. Farmers grow cotton and cotton is used to make clothes in mills. In this way, making clothes in mills depend upon farming. Weaving is also depend upon farming. We get sugar and jaggery gur from sugarcane. Sugar and jaggery are made from sugarcane, and sugarcane is grown by farmers. In this way, making sugar and jaggery in sugar mills is also depend upon farming. Ropes and packing bags are made from jute fibers, which is grown by farmers. And tea leaves and coffee beans are also grown by farmers. Our cooking oil is taken out from oil seeds such as coconut, mustard and sunflower and groundnut are grown by farmers. That's it.